Shopify's recent platform update deprecated the old checkout pages, which means if you are tracking events like checkout or purchase using Google Ads, Google Analytics or any other platform, all tracking is broken now. But here is the good news. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it using Shopify's new customer event setup. And the best part, no coding experience required, just copy and paste. And I will provide you with a template. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe. I drop weekly Google Ads tips to help you grow your business. Alright, let's fix your tracking. To track purchase events accurately, we first need to create a conversion action in Google Ads. Log into your Google Ads account. From the left hand menu, click Goals and then select Summary. In the Summary section, click Create Conversion Action. Enter here your website URL. Then select Save and Continue. Choose Purchase as the conversion category, as we are tracking completed purchases. Select the Add Conversion action. Click here your website URL. Select Create a Manual Events. Enter here any conversion name. Then select Use Event. Complete the required details and click Save and Continue. Google Ads will now generate a unique conversion ID and conversion label. Keep this handy as we will use them in the Google Tag Manager setup. Next, set up your Google Tag Manager GTM account. GTM allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags without editing your site's code directly. Visit tagmanager.google.com and click Create Account. Enter your business or store name. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Enter your Shopify store or website name. Choose Web since you will be using GTM for your website and click Create and review Google's Terms of Service. Agree and click Yes to continue. Once the account and container are created, GTM will provide you a container code. You will replace this container code in your Shopify data layer in the next step. With Google Tag Manager setup, we now integrate the GTM container code into your Shopify data layer to track events such as purchase. Copy the provided data layer code from the video description box. Replace the GTM container placeholder within the data layer code with your own GTM container. Ensure you have copied the entire modified data layer code as we will use it the next step. Finally, integrate the data layer with your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Setting and then select Customer Events. Click Add Custom Pixel. Enter a descriptive pixel name such as purchase conversion or something relevant to the event you are tracking. Paste the data layer code you copied earlier into the provided space. Then select the permission and select Not Required. Click Save and connect to active the data layer integration. Once saved, your Shopify data layer and Google Tag Manager setup will be active, ensuring accurate tracking of your Google Ads purchase conversion. Now go to your Google Tag Manager container to upload a template. I have provided the template download link in the video description box below. In the Google Tag Manager interface, click Admin, then select Import Container. Click Choose Container File and select the file you have downloaded. Select the option Existing Workspace, then click Import. After importing, all necessary tags, triggers and variables will appear automatically. You don't need to create any new ones. Next, navigate to the variable section. You will see three variables here: Google Ads Conversion ID, Google Ads Conversion Label and Google Tag ID. Copy your actual conversion ID and conversion label from your Google Ads conversion setting and paste them into these variables. Then go to the text section and select the Google Ads conversion tag. You will notice all the required parameters are already configured, so there is no need to add or modify anything else. Finally, submit your container, click Submit. Enter a version name and click Publish. It might take a few minutes for the changes to go live. To verify your conversion tracking, use the Google EC Assistant Chrome extension. You can find this extension on the Chrome Web Store provided by Google. Install the extension and click Get Started. Enter your website URL and click Start Monitoring. Now make a test purchase on your site. EC Assistant should be captured the conversion event, confirming your setup is working correctly. However, note that within your Google Ads account, the tag may initially shows as inactive. This is normal. It typically takes a few hours and actual visitors' interactions from your Google Ads before Google Ads receives data and shows the tag is active. This is my client's website conversion action. Here you can see the conversion name clearly listed along with the conversion value received directly from Google Ads. This means your conversion will be tracked accurately in the same way. With these steps, your Google Ads purchase conversion tracking is now successfully set up using Google Tag Manager. You will be able to track conversions accurately, including sales amounts, transaction IDs, and user parameters for enhanced conversion tracking. Thanks for watching this video. If you need help setting up Google Ads conversion tracking or managing your campaigns to grow your business, I would love to assist you. Feel free to book a call with me using the link in the video description box or send me an email. My contact details are also below. Let's work together to take your business to the next level.